AK-47 seized after Portmore Toll Road confrontation. Two people are in police custody following a dramatic confrontation near the Portmore Toll Road exit in St. Andrew. According to preliminary police reports, officers received information that occupants of a Nissan minibus were transporting firearms late Tuesday night. The vehicle was intercepted at approximately 11:30 p.m., but police alleged that its driver collided with a service vehicle before driving towards officers who had identified themselves. The officers reportedly opened fire after taking evasive action. A man and a woman were found injured inside the minibus and taken to hospital. The woman was admitted while the man was treated and subsequently placed in police custody. Police say an AK-47 assault rifle, along with a magazine containing 5 7.62 mm rounds, was discovered beneath the vehicle's rear passenger seat. No police officers were reported injured. The account remains based on preliminary police information, and the circumstances surrounding the use of force are expected to be investigated. Driver escapes as school bus bursts into flames. A school bus driver narrowly escaped injury after the vehicle he was operating burst into flames in Restore, South Manchester. Firefighters were called to the scene at approximately 1:38 Wednesday afternoon. Reports indicate that the bus developed what appeared to be mechanical problems before becoming engulfed in flames. The driver was reportedly the only person aboard the vehicle, meaning no students were placed at risk. Firefighters extinguished the blaze and carried out cooling down operations, but the bus was destroyed. The precise cause of the fire has not yet been established and remains under investigation. The incident is likely to renew concerns about the maintenance and inspection of vehicles used to transport school children. Investigation demanded into fish ponds beside St. Thomas School. Member of Parliament for St. Thomas Eastern, Rosemary Shaw, has asked the National Environmental and Planning Agency, NEPA, to investigate the reported construction of fish ponds beside Barking Lodge Primary and Infant School. Shaw says residents had raised concerns about possible offensive odors, mosquito breeding, flooding, contamination of nearby water sources, and the suitability of operating an aquaculture facility so close to the young children. There are also allegations that access to a neighboring beach has been obstructed and sections of a public roadway excavated. These are allegations from residents and have not yet been confirmed by NEPA or through an official investigation. The MP wants the agency to determine whether the developers received the necessary planning and environmental approvals, whether technical studies were completed, and whether any work affecting the beach or road was legally authorized. She has called for enforcement action if breaches are discovered. Jamaica celebrates historic long jump gold. Jamaica has added 2 more medals at the Commonwealth Games in Glasgow, including the country's first men's long jump gold medal in the history of the Games. Tajay Gayle produced a winning jump of 8.15 meters, finishing ahead of India's Shankar, who recorded 8.09 meters. Scotland's Stephen Mackenzie secured bronze with 8.08 meters. Jamaica's Jordan Turner finished ninth with 7.65 meters. There was also success in the women's shot put, where Lloyd Rika Cameron won bronze with a final round effort of 17.87 meters. Although Nigeria's Jessica Oji recorded the same distance, she secured silver through the count-back rule because of a better second-best throw. The results took Jamaica's athletics medal count to 4, following earlier gold medals for Romain Beckford in the men's high jump and Demario Prince in the 110-meter hurdles. Special Economic Zone applications going digital. The Jamaica Special Economic Zone Authority is moving to digitalize its application process as part of an effort to improve efficiency and attract more investment. Chief Executive Officer Kelly Dawn Hamilton said the digital platform will allow the authority to track applications from submission to approval. Officials should therefore be able to identify delays, determine whether applicants encounter difficulties, and make the process more transparent. The initiative is being developed alongside Jamaica's first Special Economic Zone Master Plan. That plan is expected to identify suitable locations for future zones, priority industries, and the infrastructure required to support industrial development. The authority believes the two initiatives could give investors greater certainty and help Jamaica compete more effectively for international business. However, no launch date for the completed digital system was announced in the report. Subscribe today, turn on notifications, and never miss the stories that matter most. Jamaica News Now, your Highlands, your news, right now.